In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to integrate a CompuScholar course into your D2L Brightspace Learning Management System. To get started, I've logged into my Brightspace environment, and I'm logged in as an administrator account. You can see I'm looking at a course that has no content currently, so let's go ahead and start the import process. To do that, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select the Import Export Copy Components option. Now scroll down and select Import Components, and then click the Start button. You will be given a common cartridge file, so you can drag that into the Import Course Package area at the top. As an example, I've added in the common cartridge file for our Java Programming Advanced Placement Computer Science course. Once the file has been added, then click Import All Components. And this process will take just a few minutes. Now once you get the check mark to show the import is complete, we can click on View Content. Now I've returned to the course, and as you can see under the table of contents, we now have all of our chapters that have been imported successfully. We can click on a chapter and see the content listed underneath and to the right. We can click into an individual lesson as well, and you can see the individual resources for the lesson. Now you can't click on these resources yet because we need to do one additional configuration step. The actual lesson content is pulled dynamically from our CompuScholar cloud using the LTI protocol, so we need to configure the LTI tools in order to be successful. So I'm going to click on the External Learning Tools LTI link at the top of the course. Now each course has a very large number of individual links, and we don't want to configure them all individually. So let's click on Manage Tool Providers, and then New Tool Provider to add a CompuScholar LTI link. For the launch point, we'll type in https://learning.compuscholar.com, and then you will be provided a secret key, which you can cut and paste into this field. Scroll down further and check the box that says Use Custom Tool Consumer Information. You will also be given a dedicated key for your district, so you can cut and paste that into this field as well. And then you can change these descriptive pieces of information as desired. So we'll give it a new name, CompuScholar Provider, and a description, CompuScholar LTI. And you can give it your own personal contact email as well if desired. Now you should be able to leave all of the rest of the settings at the default. If you want to add this tool provider to multiple courses, you can do that here. And when you're done, click Save and Close. Now you can see you've got the CompuScholar LTI tool provider in the list, and we can go back to the course content. I'll now click on one of the links, and you can see that this instructional video is launched within your Brightspace environment. We can go back and click on the other links as well. Here's the lesson text. You can see the full lesson text is now pulled dynamically from our cloud. And you have all of the other course elements as well. Now the quizzes and tests are actually imported into your Brightspace environment as native citizens of your learning management system. So these elements do not go dynamically to our cloud, but instead they are managed completely within your LMS. So you can schedule, configure, and administer these quizzes in the same way you would any other Brightspace quiz. Now you'll see some items that are marked as draft, and these are the teacher-only items. So things like the teacher's guides and the quiz solutions and so forth are all in draft status. So this means they will not be visible to the student, but they are visible to you as the teacher, and that's what we want. Let's take a look at an activity. An activity has instructions. Some activities have files that you can download or view to get started. Activities will have solution guides for the teacher, as well as solution files. And if you click on the solution files link, you'll be prompted to download a zip file that contains the fully coded activity solution, and the details of this download process will depend on your web browser. So as you can see, the complete course material has been natively integrated into your Brightspace environment, and you're now free to configure the course, including moving links around, renaming links, managing test questions, categorizing and weighting your assessments, and all of the other fun things that you can do within your Brightspace environment. So the key things to remember is that this is a two-step process. You will import your common cartridge file and then configure the LTI tool provider with the secret keys that have been provided to you with the common cartridge file. And in about 15 minutes, you can be up and running within your Brightspace environment. Thanks for watching.